Hello, children. A cheerful morning to all. Hope you all had a good sleep and are ready for today's session. Whenever we start our class or anything good, we all pray to God for giving us strength and bless us with all His might. So, let's pray to God. So, all of you just stand up in your place, join your hands, and close your eyes and repeat the lines after me. Oh my God, I offer you today my work, my lessons, and my play. My heart, dear God, I give it to you. Protect it and keep it true. Yes, after finishing the prayer, let's open our EVS textbook for today's class. In today's class, we are going to discuss about animals and their babies. As we all know, human babies are called infants or kids. But animal babies are known with different names. So let's begin our session for today. So children, this is a deer. Baby deer is known as a fawn. Do you know that deer have long legs, horns and little spots on their bodies? They look similar like a goat. They live in the forest. Deer only eat plants in their food. So the plant eaters are known as herbivorous animals. So, what do we call a baby deer? Fawn. Repeat it again. What do we call a baby deer? Fawn. Anyone know which animal is this? Yes, we all know that this is a lion. Baby lion is called a cub. Lions rule the whole jungle. So, lions are called the king of the jungle. Lions have hairy body and they eat only the flesh of other animals. So, the flesh eaters are called carnivorous animals. So, children, what do we call a baby lion? Cub. What do we call a baby lion? Cub. Here is a bear. Baby bear is called a cub. Bears eat fishes and meat, but they love honey the most. They have large bodies, short legs, and tail. They are excellent in climbing and swimming. They are the most intelligent animal on the earth. So, what teacher told? What do we call a baby bear? Cub. What do we call a baby bear? Yes, we call cub. Now, children, we all have seen this animal. Which animal is this? Yes, this is a camel. And what do we call a baby camel? We call it a calf. Camels are usually found in the deserts. Surviving in the desert is so hard, and so the camels can, because they have thick fur on their bodies to protect them from the extreme heat. So they are called the sheep of the desert. They have a hump to store fats, and these fats are converted to energy and water whenever the camel needs. So now tell me, what do we call a baby camel? Calf. Now here is an interesting animal. This is a kangaroo. And what do we call a baby kangaroo? Joy. Kangaroos are animals. They can jump very high. They can also swim. Kangaroos eat grass. And the most interesting fact is that they cannot walk backwards. They have a pouch in their own body to carry their young ones. So, children, what do we call a baby kangaroo? Joy. What do we call a baby kangaroo? Joy. Here is a monkey. What do we call a baby monkey? We call it infant. Repeat. We call it infant. Do you know, children, monkeys are the naughtiest and mischievous creatures on earth. They imitate everything what has been done in front of them. Like they copy everyone. They eat seeds, eggs, fruits, etc. in their food. Also, they have friendly attitude towards humans, means towards us. They live on trees. So, what do we call a baby monkey? Infant. Children, this is a zebra. What do we call a baby zebra? We call it a foal. Zebras look pretty neat with all these amazing black and white stripes on their body. Zebras can run fast. And the very interesting fact about zebras are no two zebras ever have the same pattern of stripes, just like our fingerprints. Look at our fingerprints. Every hands have different fingerprints. Likewise, zebras have different stripes on their bodies. They eat only plants, so they are called herbivorous animals. Now, children, what do we call a baby zebra? We call it a foal. So now let's have a quick repeat on the animals and the names of their babies. Baby of a deer is called a fawn. Lion, cub. Camel's baby is called a calf. Baby of a zebra is called a foal. Baby bear is called a cub. Kangaroo's baby is called Joy. And the baby of monkey is called an infant. Now, after finishing the chapter, here is an important note for the parents. You all need to fill your board's attendance daily by accessing the Global Board app. Access the Global Board app and click on the link that is given. Click here to fill the attendance. And when it opens, there is a form-like page where you have to fill the details of your child. And after filling that, submit the page by clicking the blue submit button. Now children, it's homework time. Take out your EVS notebook. Open a fresh page in your EVS notebook and write the date in the box given here. Today is 2nd December 2020. In our previous session, we learned about the spelling of fruits. What is the spelling of fruits, children? F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. And also the spelling of veggies. V-E-G-G-I-E-S, veggies. After that, let's write the third spelling. So write number 3 on the first line. And write the spelling of nuts. N-U-T-S. Nuts. Nuts means cashew nuts, almonds, walnuts, etc. So write the spelling of nuts till the last line. Write the spelling on both the sides. N-U-T-S. Nuts. After that, open the next page and write number 4. Here we are going to write the spelling of pulses. P-U-L-S-E-S. Pulses. P-U-L-S-E-S. Pulses means moong, chana, etc. These are called pulses. So complete till the last line and also continue to the other side. So this is the homework for you all today. The spelling of pulses and the spelling of nuts.